Let me give you the number one reason why you're not getting digital marketing. It's not the tech. It's not your age. It's actually your learning approach. Here's what most people don't realize. Your brain actually gets better at learning with age. Science proves it. A study from Harvard showed that people over 40 are 34% better at pattern recognition than younger learners. But here's the problem. Most digital marketing courses are designed for 20-year-olds. They rush through the basics, use confusing tech language, and ignore decades of real-world experience. Think about it like this. When you learned to drive, did someone throw you car keys and say, "Figure it out"? No. You had structured lessons, clear steps, and a patient instructor. That's exactly what's missing in digital marketing education. Let me show you what I mean. Meet Sarah. She was a sales director for 22 years. She tried learning digital marketing through YouTube. She failed 3 times. Then she tried our age-adapted method in 90 days. She launched her first successful campaign. Now she's teaching others. The difference? We match your learning style to your life experience. The question is, are you ready to stop fighting against your age and start using it as your secret weapon? This isn't just about learning tech, it's about learning your way and using your age as an edge, not a roadblock.